Hi guys, it's Janet with bddpatterns.com. Thank you so much for stopping by today. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to crochet an essential part of any woman's wardrobe, the tank top. All right, let's get started. All right, let's see what we need to make this Tracy tank top. You're going to need 2 skeins of comfy cotton yarn, and that's a number 3. Each skein has 392 yards, and I do have the link to that in the description below. Your crochet hook today will be an H or a 5mm. Please have a pair of sharp scissors on hand, a bent yarn needle, a yarn needle threader, that's a game changer, makes your life so much easier, a row counter. I really would recommend a row counter for this particular pattern. It's super simple, but counting the rows is very important. And a stitch gauge ruler just to make sure you're on track. Okay, let's get into it. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to make a size small. Now this will fit up to a 36-inch bust. If you want the written pattern or if you need the pattern in a different size, please go ahead and visit bddpatterns.com. When you check out, if you put 2 or more items in your cart and enter the coupon buy one get one, you'll get 50% off your total order. Okay, now what you need to do is loosely chain 54. Here we go. Row 1. Half double crochet into the second chain from the hook, and then half double crochet into the remaining chains. Chain 2 and turn. Now you'll be working across 52 stitches. Now you're going to see how easy this pattern is. For rows 2 through 29, simply crochet a half double crochet stitch into each stitch across. Chain 2 at the end and turn. Row 30. Half double crochet into the first 4 stitches, half double crochet 2 together. Then half double crochet across the remaining stitches, but stop right before the last 6 stitches. Now half double crochet 2 together, and then half double crochet into the last 4 stitches. Chain 2 and turn. Now you should have 50 stitches. Please place a stitch marker into the first and last stitch of this row. This will mark the armhole opening and side seam. Let's continue to decrease so that we can form our armholes. Row 31. Half double crochet into the first 4 stitches, half double crochet 2 together in the next 2 stitches, half double crochet across the remaining stitches, and then stop before the last 6 stitches. Half double crochet 2 together again for the second decrease, then half double crochet into the last 4 stitches. Chain 2 and turn. Now you have 48 stitches. You're going to want to repeat row 30 for rows 32 through 44. This will take you down to a total of 22 stitches. For row 45, half double crochet into each stitch across, chain 2 and turn. Guys, we're almost done. Can you believe it? It went by so fast. All right, let's make the straps. Row 46, half double crochet into the first 4 stitches, chain 2, and now you're just working across 4 stitches for that strap. So rows 47 through 54, repeat row 46, and then when you're ready, fasten off with an 8-inch tail, and that'll help you sew the shoulder seam for each strap. All right, let's make that second strap. Join the yarn at the opposite edge, chain 2, and then half double crochet into that same stitch. Half double crochet into the next 3 stitches, chain 2 and turn. Then just like the first strap, you're going to want to work over 4 stitches, and that's a half double crochet into each stitch for 10 rows. On the last row, please fasten off with an 8-inch tail so that you can easily sew your shoulder seam. I hope you're loving the way your tank top is turning out. If you like this video, would you please do me a favor? Go ahead and smash that like button. It's so encouraging to me and it helps motivate me to make more videos for you. Now let's construct your tank. With the right sides together, go ahead and line up the bottom, the straps, and the side stitch markers. Seam up the straps. And then to seam up the sides, start at the hemline and sew up to the stitch marker. Weave your tails, turn right side out, and enjoy.